Maria's family was visiting Turkey. Mom wanted a hot air balloon ride, but Maria wanted to see Pamukkale, a mountain of special white rock. "We'll do both," Mom said. When they went to the balloon, Maria froze. "Don't be scared," the pilot said. "I'll explain how it works. Get in." Maria stepped inside carefully. "Hot air is lighter than cold air," he explained. "So the balloon's hot air floats above the heavy cold air outside, and it takes us up in the sky." "But we're heavier than air." "True," the pilot continued. "But the balloon fills up space. It's like a cup with us in it. Fill the same cup with colder air. That's still heavier." Maria understood. Then she screamed. They were already in the air. "You're safe," he said. "No, not that," Maria said. "Look, Pamukkale is beautiful."